Furnace temperature calibration. Tools required: medical cooling plate, calibration ring, tweezers, vernier caliper, temperature reference table. First, use the tweezers to place the calibration ring in the center of the crucible. Put on the lid and close the furnace door. Then open the temperature curve interface and select the temperature calibration centering curve. The OY7 max calibration setting are ramp to 1580 Celsius degree in 25 minutes, then hold for 60 minutes. Confirm the setting and return to the main screen. Select the temperature calibration curve and start the centering program. After the centering program ends, the furnace door opens. Wait for the calibration rings to cool completely. Then remove it with tweezers and place it on the cooling plate. Use the vernier caliper to measure its diameter. And refer to the temperature table to find the corresponding temperature value. Enter this temperature value into the temperature calibration curve. Return and save it. Then re-enter the temperature setting interface to check the temperature difference display. The calibration is complete.